Black holes are among the most mysterious objects in the universe. They are regions of space where gravity becomes so powerful that nothing can escape, not even light. But what if black holes are not just cosmic traps? What if they are something far stranger? Some scientists have proposed a fascinating possibility. That black holes might not simply destroy everything that falls into them. Instead, they might lead somewhere else, possibly to another universe. This idea sounds like science fiction, but it actually comes from real theoretical physics. And it begins with a simple question. What really happens inside a black hole? Black holes form when extremely massive stars collapse under their own gravity. When the core of the star collapses, the mass becomes so concentrated that it creates a gravitational field unlike anything else in the universe. At the center of a black hole lies what physicists call a singularity, a point where density becomes infinite and the known laws of physics break down. Surrounding the singularity is a boundary called the event horizon. Once something crosses this boundary, it cannot escape, not even light. This is why black holes appear completely dark. Our understanding of black holes comes from the work of physicists like Albert Einstein, whose theory of general relativity predicted that space and time could be bent by gravity. Decades later, astronomers confirmed the existence of black holes through observations of stars orbiting invisible massive objects and through gravitational wave detections. Organizations like NASA and the European Space Agency continue to study these objects today. But some scientists began asking a strange question. If gravity bends space and time, could space and time bend so much that they connect different regions of the universe? Or even different universes entirely? This idea comes from theoretical structures called wormholes. Wormholes were first proposed in solutions to Einstein's equations by physicists Albert Einstein and Einstein-Rosen in 1935. These theoretical bridges are sometimes called Einstein-Rosen bridges. In theory, a wormhole could connect to distant parts of space, or possibly even two separate universes. Some physicists have suggested that black holes could be connected to these structures, meaning that instead of ending in a singularity, matter might pass through a tunnel in spacetime and emerge somewhere else. Another fascinating idea comes from theoretical cosmology. Some physicists have proposed that our entire universe might have formed inside a black hole. According to this hypothesis, when matter collapses inside a black hole, extreme conditions might create a new expanding region of space. In other words, a new universe. Some researchers, including theoretical physicist Lee Smolin, have explored versions of this idea known as cosmological natural selection. In this theory, black holes might give birth to new universes with slightly different physical laws. However, it is important to note that this idea remains speculative. There is currently no direct observational evidence that black holes create new universes, but it remains an active topic of discussion in theoretical physics. Another mysterious possibility involves something called white holes. A white hole is the theoretical opposite of a black hole. Instead of pulling matter inward, a white hole would push matter outward. Nothing could enter it, only exit. Some theoretical models suggest that a black hole in one universe could appear as a white hole in another. In that case, anything falling into a black hole might emerge from a white hole somewhere else, possibly in another universe. But again, this remains a theoretical idea. No white holes have ever been observed. Modern research into black holes continues to produce surprising discoveries. In 2019, scientists working with the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first direct image of a black hole's shadow. This observation confirmed predictions made by Einstein's theory of relativity more than a century earlier. Gravitational wave observatories such as LIGO have also detected collisions between black holes billions of light years away. These discoveries are helping scientists understand how black holes behave, but the deepest mystery remains unsolved. What actually happens inside them? Some physicists believe the answer may require a new theory of quantum gravity, a theory that combines quantum mechanics with general relativity. Until then, the true nature of black holes may remain hidden behind the event horizon. They may simply be the most extreme objects in the universe, or they may be something even stranger, gateways to new regions of space, or perhaps entirely new universes. For now, we simply do not know. But every new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the deepest mysteries of the cosmos. Follow Unfolded Depth for truths that stay with you.